Hey, what's up, y'all? So I am now part of the curlsmith team. Yay me. So as you can see, it is time to wash this hair. It is a hot and tired mess. It's itchy. Haven't washed it in like a week and it's real stiff. So I am going to be using the curlsmith shine recipe line. I'm so excited. It's a little 4-step method. It's easy, 1, 2, 3. I love how the shampoo is lightweight. It's a gently light foaming. It's fragrance free. And you really don't need a lot to actually make your hair feel clean. And I'm the type of person that likes my hair all foamy, so I was actually quite surprised how clean my hair felt after using this. So here is me washing it. Okay, so next I am using the conditioner. I really didn't need a lot of this. Also, this is fragrance free as well. It is slick and smooth and it easily detangles your hair. So I really did like that. I was able to detangle my hair during this process, which is what I love to do anyways during conditioning. But it was super easy because it was just so slick. So here I go, putting the conditioner in. So here I am now combing it through with my Goody brush. This is my go-to for combing it out when I'm conditioning my hair. So as you can see, it's pretty easy. It's not a lot. And here I go. Alright, so I rinsed my hair from the conditioner and look at those curls. That is just from the shampoo and the conditioner. Do you see that? Yes. I love it. Alright, next what I'll be doing is now sectioning my hair into parts so I can go ahead and use the Shine Jelly, which is frizz control and also lightweight. Do not need a lot of this product either. That is the best part about it. And I just did this through my whole entire hair. Y'all won't believe this. I broke my clip and I was so mad. I was so mad. Watch. Like, my face said it all. I was like, what in the... That was too funny. But here I go, just doing the rest of my hair in the sections with the Shine Jelly. so after I did everything, I scrunched my hair up, and then now I am about to diffuse. I felt like the diffusing part just took forever. Like, it just took forever. But then it didn't take forever. But it took forever. Alright, so now I'm adding the Shine Oil, which is a glossy weightless oil for your hair, fragrance free as well. And I just do this through my whole entire hair, just scrunch it up for the last results. And baby, do you see them results? Look at those curls. Yes, look at them curls. I know y'all love them. You better go get you some of this because it's amazing.